All right, in this one, we're going to go over installation. I'm going to cover installation for my previous customers as well as new customers because it's a little bit different depending on if you're a previous customer or not. So the first thing, if you are a previous customer, you already have this installed. Open up your program. There might be a couple other tabs here at the top. You'll go to the tab that was at the end. Look for something that says About. Click that. This location here, this is the location where your database is. If you click these three dots, it will open it up. This db.asa is where your database is. What you need to do before you install this new version, 2.97, is to go into, and notice where we're at. We're in appdata/local. You'll see two PPC widgets Inc. folders. Select those, click delete. Now, what we want to do is uninstall this program. Go to Control Panel, uninstall a program. We're going to actually close this and you probably should want to copy that, just make note of it while you do this process. Then we'll look for the program itself. Find PPC campaign generator, click it, uninstall. Your uninstall process might look a little bit different than what I'm about to show you. Like this logo's all jacked, but oh well. Remove. There we go. So now we don't have the program. Now, we also don't have the database because we deleted those folders entirely. What we want to do is go to this part here. This will be the next thing on how to download. So look for this right after this video. You go here, there's a picture of this idiot right here, and then you click PPC campaign generator setup zip. Click that. Now, for some reason, I don't know why, but it takes a while to download. I'm on a Teachable platform, so I think what it is Teachable's slow system on processing that. So if you click it, you're going to have to wait roughly 40 to 50 seconds. Okay, there we go. It downloaded. Let's go ahead and click that, extract all files, click extract. Okay, click that, and then run it. This will perform the installation process. Click next. This is where it will be installed. In my case, it's program files x86. Click next, install. So there's not really a lot else to talk about other than I just want to show you what the process will actually look like when it's successful. And I also want to cover a bug that I noticed that might throw some people off. And I just want to show you what errors look like in general. So when you see them, you know what they are. You can definitely, I think I'm going to have an errors section Q&A somewhere in this course. So look for that. There we go. Launch PPC campaign generator is checked. Click finish. Now we should see this splash screen. There we go. We've just installed the program. If you did it all successfully, this is what it should look like. Now let me see how it's on default right here. Let's just go ahead. We're just going to exit the program. We haven't, here's a problem or a bug that you might see. If you don't add a new campaign and you try to exit it, this is what an error message looks like. This email address, I don't believe works. You can try and send it to me, and then this is supposed to be a description of what the problem was. This error message here hopefully should be sent to me, but honestly, I'm not sure. So just don't count on it. It's better to just tell me what the error is when it happens. Again, there will be a Q&A section in this course so we can address some of these, but you shouldn't see this that often. If you do, then I don't know what to tell you just yet. but definitely let me know because I do want to know about them. So here we go. Just exit that, and then it won't let you close it now. Let's try to create a campaign just as a default. Say my first campaign. Hit OK. There it is. Now we just click X, and it did let us leave it. You could also just kill the program by opening up your task manager, finding it, and killing it. But anyways, that's how to install PPC Campaign Generator version 2.97. If you have any problems or if something is not as I showed in this video, leave a comment below and let me know.